Today we are at the European Parliament where we host an event around the project SPIDIA4P, and that is a project where personalized medicine and in vitro diagnostics come together, and we're presenting here today some of the outcomes and the plans for the future.
So the SPIDIA4P project is tackling one of the most important processes in human molecular diagnostics, and that is to reduce the error rate we can still find in laboratory medicine. One of the main reasons why we see error rates are the so-called analytical workflows. So starting from sample collection, like blood from a patient, transporting it to the laboratory, storing it and working it up before the analytical test is done. And we know that during this process steps, so the samples can change, and these changes can lead to wrong diagnostic results.
Personalized medicine is very important because you have patients, but every patient is unique, and also his treatment should be unique, and that's where it's all about. So the role for Europe, in my mind, is that we put innovation and research on the first place, because it's about innovation we talk. It's by innovation we create therapies for patients and for personalized patients.
There are way too many standards, and they are way too theoretical. They should be more pragmatic, more practical. And I was wondering, how can we incorporate the biobank standards into the accreditation program of the clinical laboratories? Because often university hospitals work in close collaboration with the already existing clinical laboratories instead of having their own biobank laboratory.
Standards support, first of all, safety, repetition, quality, lowers risk, increases accuracy and dependability. We have in sounded like a strategic initiative towards what we call innovation and research, which is actually to integrate further standards and research. We're very comfortable with industry. Standards are for industry, and that's been going on for decades. But for researchers, innovators, people with new knowledge, we're not the natural partner, but we aspire to be the natural partner. So reaching out and making standardization a home which is responsive, which adds value to their needs, or to response to their needs and adds value for them.
We can set up training and education programs for our researchers, which in turn gives the information from the development of a new standard back to those who are using it. Because what is the standard when nobody's using it?
Notified bodies are needed right now because we have in vitro medical devices regulation that asks for notification, for certification by notified bodies. We have the new regulation right now, as I said already, before it was self-certification, now we have notified bodies who have to do that, and they have to be chosen by the European Commission. It's a process that's not as fast as we would like to have it.
This is a good example where you see how academia and industry can work together, also with the help of research infrastructures like BBMRI-ERIC. And if we can further improve that and really show actual deliverables that can be used by the community, that would really be a benefit.